One of our tenets at disruption selling is that when we start an engagement, we always regard both the organization and the offering of the customer as a given. So we don't come in and say, hey, you have to hire 10 more people here, you have to develop a new product. We say, we have to start with what we have, because we don't have the time to wait for anything to happen in the future. So we want to jump right into it. So basically when we engaged, we said, let's not talk about the stuff you don't have or the stuff you believe you don't have. And let's not talk about some organizational deficiencies. Let's just play with what we have and just kind of reconfigure the building blocks a little bit to drive this higher value level value proposition, right? So what in your experience, would you say that A, worked, and B, any existing company, any existing organization can do this rather than asking for more headcount, more budget, new products, whatever, but just kind of reassemble the existing pieces in a new way to drive a higher level value proposition?
I mean, an existing organization can't start from scratch. Okay? That would be a complete new legal entity, that kind of stuff. It's a new spin-off, then okay, that's a different approach. In our case, just to reiterate, yes, it's totally true. We are using the products we have. We are using the org structure we have. Okay? Yeah, we haven't hired additional people on that. But what we changed is the mindset, how we define the account and the engagement with the account.
Okay.
What's the sales methodology? And again, this is about unlearning what we currently doing and learning new stuff. And again, at the end of the day, it's going to be a positive experience for my sales organization, just so you reiterate that. We were surprised that moving into platform selling, that we can do even more than expected with the existing portfolio we have and the partners we have in the ecosystem. So it's a positive surprise by changing to a higher level mindset, by applying your methodology, looking at the problem in a bigger way, considering the ecosystem and the complete portfolio. We were actually successful and with confidence to cover much more of the value chain and to cover bigger painkillers, if you want, bigger portion of the value chain where we can help with our customers. So we really appreciate that we didn't have to go through a very lengthy gathering process with some of the vendors on the market. You will see that. So I think to answer your questions, no, we haven't added additional products. No, we haven't changed the organization. We changed the mindset. And we were successful with that in a big way after changing our behaviors, yes.
Well, thank you, Carlo, for having us here and for providing your feedback. I'm glad we helped you achieve the goal you set initially and expected from us. And I think it's a great achievement to really make a difference in 6 months in an organization that has been around for decades, and also proves the point that today there is no time to bet on the future. We have to use what we have. We have to start at a certain point. We have to work backwards from the customer. We have to look at our product portfolio. We have to build a compelling value proposition, and then we have to go for it. It's all about execution. It's not about developing new products, changing the organization, developing an ecosystem for the next 24 months or so. But basically, it is making the decision and then going straight into execution. That is what nowadays we believe customers should do, and I think you provided just a wonderful example for that one. Thank you.